Hello, Sudoku friends, boys and girls. Welcome back with the second puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Monday. Yes, Monday, April the 11th, 2022. We have in this additional 6 extra puzzles. I've already solved the first one, and I will do the binary puzzle, because not all the puzzles I will do, half of them I will solve. And the second puzzle I will do is a binary puzzle number 4392. 4392. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. All right, I see here we have 3 ones, a lot of gaps. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I believe the middle box should be a 1, because if I cannot place the 1 there. I cannot place the 1 there because otherwise we have 4 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So the 1 should be in the middle and the other 2 boxes should be an O. Alright. Let me continue. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Then. Well, we have here 3 ones in this column. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Okay. Now we have 3 O's in this row. And I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there. So we have here the first O, second O, the third O, and the fourth O. So this box should be a 1. Okay. Double O, here 1, there 1. Yeah. And I know here the same situation between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, the second one, the third one, and the fourth one. This box should be an O. Okay. Then. Yeah. Am I stuck? I do not know. I don't know if I'm stuck. We need to compare, I think. We need to compare. This one is almost the same. Yeah. The fourth column and the first column. Okay. 00111 00111 empty box. 00 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have O here. This should be a 1. Okay. 3 O's. 4. Need to compare again. How about this one? 001. Yeah. This column and the second column. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box. 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1, and we have a 1 here, this should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Yeah. Now. This row and that row. A lot of comparing in this puzzle. We have a 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 1 1. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O here, this should be a 1. A double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. And now I think we need to compare again. Yeah. I think we need to compare the rows. Yeah. Oh, almost the same, this one. Yeah. This row and that row. Okay. 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1 0 0. We need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Finish in 6 minutes. Great binary, and I like this one. Yes, a lot of comparing, but I've managed to solve it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will in a minute I will continue with the last puzzle of today, Tectonic with 4 stars. Until then, bye bye for now.